Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So now, today I'll be showing you how to apply Chrome themes. Basically customizing your Chrome. So obviously open Chrome itself, and here in the corner, I'll zoom into the page. As you can see, there's a pencil here. As you can see, I've already customized it. Click on that, and you'll find these. And now obviously there is this part changes over time and you can change over, so we'll go through each part. We can start with background, so you can upload from your device. You can go here and you can change, you can go to pictures and apply one there, or you can just go classic Chrome and you can actually go through many categories here and apply them. And for shortcuts, you can select three options. So my shortcuts, this one. So the shortcuts that I want to put in the home screen itself, the ones that I picked by myself. And these are the most visited sites. Shortcuts are suggested based on websites you visit often. So I mostly often visit YouTube, a bit of Spotify, so Google Maps, stuff like that. So that's not very interesting. So I just keep it here. Or if you don't want any of this stuff, you could just hide the shortcuts and don't. So the shortcuts won't show in this page. Next is the color and theme, as you can see of the top part right here. So this is gray black. It's selected here. You can go really cool with this. You can do even a custom color. So yeah, these three things, this is a short video, but these three things you can expand them to where however you want. You can see custom color, you can upload from your device, you can customize it. Just this home screen could really change a lot based on what you do to it. So yeah, quick little tutorial on how you can customize Google Chrome. You probably already know it. I've just showed you how to do it a little bit more better. Yeah, see you.